Want stronger legs at any age, even 90? Start with your plate. If you're over 60, the fastest way to feel steadier is not more pain at the gym. It is smarter fuel. The right foods can calm inflammation, keep blood sugar steady, and help stop muscle loss naturally so you move with confidence. In this video, we reveal 6 everyday foods that fit senior health and nutrition over 60. Each choice is heart-friendly, low sodium, and anti-inflammatory, so your legs feel lighter and your balance improves. You will see simple meal swaps you can do today at your kitchen table. Tell me your age and your goal in the comments, then tap. So more people find this guide. Stay to the end because food number 1 is already in most kitchens, but almost no one over 60 uses it the right way. Number 6, sweet potatoes. Want steadier legs without extra strain at the gym? Start with sweet potatoes. For senior health and nutrition over 60, this simple choice gives calm, long-lasting energy so you feel steady on stairs, confident on walks, and ready for daily tasks. It is heart-friendly and naturally low sodium, which makes it an easy fit for a blood sugar and blood pressure-aware routine. Why it helps? Sweet potatoes provide complex carbs that release slowly, so energy stays even instead of spiking and crashing. The bright orange color signals beta-carotene that supports an anti-inflammatory pattern and recovery after activity. Potassium helps muscles contract smoothly and can ease calf tightness and nighttime cramps. The natural fiber feeds the gut and improves nutrient absorption, which supports muscle repair and helps stop muscle loss naturally when you hit your protein targets at meals. How to use it today. Roast wedges with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Mash into a warm side next to lean protein and greens, or add small cubes to soups and salads for gentle fuel. Keep portions about the size of your fist and pair with protein, such as eggs, fish, chicken, tofu, or Greek yogurt at another meal. This pairing supports steady blood sugar and better recovery for older legs. Smart tips. Choose smaller sweet potatoes for easier portion control. Leave some skin on for extra fiber. If you manage blood sugar, serve sweet potato with non-starchy vegetables and protein rather than fruit or sweet sauces. If you prefer a lighter evening, use your sweet potato at lunch so energy stays smooth through the afternoon. Number 5, oats. Want legs that feel steady all day, even after 60? Start with oats. For senior health and nutrition over 60, oats deliver calm energy, heart-friendly fiber, and muscle support so stairs feel easier and walks feel smoother. Here is why oats help tired legs. Their slow-releasing carbs keep blood sugar steady, which protects stamina and prevents the midday crash. The soluble fiber beta-glucan supports an anti-inflammatory pattern and helps keep cholesterol in a healthy range. Oats also bring plant-based protein for repair, plus magnesium to relax tight calves and iron to carry oxygen to working muscles. That mix helps stop muscle loss naturally and supports better balance. Make oats work for you today. Cook rolled or steel-cut oats with water or soy milk, then stir in cinnamon and ground chia for extra fiber and omega-3. Blend 2 or 3 tablespoons of cooked oats into a smoothie for a creamy texture and longer-lasting energy. Bake simple oat cups with mashed banana and egg for an easy grab and go option. Keep portions in the 1-cup cooked range and pair with protein such as Greek yogurt, eggs, or whey to boost muscle recovery. Season with berries or walnuts instead of sugar to keep it low sodium and heart-friendly. Quick tip. If night cramps bother you, enjoy your oats at breakfast and keep your water intake steady through the day. The fiber and minerals support smoother muscle contractions and more comfortable evenings. Number 4, avocados. Want looser, happier legs after 60 without more pain at the gym? Start with avocados. For senior health and nutrition over 60, this simple food brings anti-inflammatory support, heart-friendly fats, and the minerals your muscles need so mornings feel easier and walks feel smoother. Why it helps? Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that calm inflammation and keep joints supple, which can ease stiffness after sitting and reduce that dull ache when you get out of bed. They deliver plenty of potassium to support steady muscle contractions and help prevent nighttime cramps and spasms. You also get vitamin E and other antioxidants that protect muscle tissue from daily wear, while the healthy fats support circulation so oxygen and nutrients reach your legs. Pair avocado with enough daily protein and it helps stop muscle loss naturally. How to use it today. Slice half an avocado on whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of chili or cinnamon. Mash into a quick guacamole and serve with cucumber and bell pepper sticks for a low-sodium snack. Blend 1/4 avocado into a breakfast smoothie for longer-lasting energy and steadier blood sugar. Add diced avocado to salads with leafy greens, tomatoes, and a spoon of extra virgin olive oil for a simple, heart-friendly bowl. Smart tips. Keep portions to a half or a small avocado at a time. If you manage blood sugar, pair avocado with lean protein and non-starchy vegetables. For easy prep, store slices with lemon juice to slow browning. Number 3, berries, the muscle protector and anti-aging powerhouse. If you are over 60 and want legs that feel lighter, put berries on your list. For senior health and nutrition over 60, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries bring a rare mix of antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber that work together to keep you moving with confidence. Why they matter for your legs? Antioxidants in berries calm oxidative stress that slows recovery and makes knees and calves feel stiff. Their anti-inflammatory polyphenols support joints and tendons so steps feel smoother and more stable. Vitamin C helps your body form collagen for firm and flexible muscle and connective tissue. The natural fiber steadies blood sugar, which protects steady energy across the day. This is a heart-friendly pattern that helps stop muscle loss naturally when you also meet your protein target. Extra benefits you can feel. Regular berry intake supports circulation, so oxygen and nutrients reach working muscles faster. Many people also notice fewer nighttime cramps when blood sugar and fluids stay balanced. Berries are light on sodium and easy on digestion. They fit an anti-inflammatory plan and pair well with lean protein, so you finish meals satisfied without a heavy feeling. How to use them today. Add a cup of mixed berries to oatmeal or plain Greek yogurt for a protein-first breakfast. Blend a breakfast smoothie with berries, ground chia, and soy or lactose-free milk for calm energy. Toss fresh or thawed frozen berries into salads with spinach and walnuts. For a simple dessert, mash berries over cottage cheese or yogurt instead of using jam. Choose fresh in season or buy unsweetened frozen bags for value and convenience. Rinse fresh berries and pat dry. Keep portions mindful if you manage blood sugar by pairing berries with protein or nuts. Keep watching, because the next food gives a clean protein lift that can make your legs feel stronger by the end of the week. Number 2, salmon, the muscle rebuilder and circulation booster. If you are over 60 and want stronger steps, salmon is a simple win for senior health and nutrition over 60. Its high-quality protein helps stop muscle loss naturally while omega-3s support an anti-inflammatory, heart-friendly routine, so legs feel lighter and recovery feels faster. Many viewers tell us they notice steadier energy on days they eat salmon because it fuels muscles without a blood sugar spike. Why it works for your legs? Salmon delivers complete protein that your body can use right away to repair everyday wear in thigh and calf muscles. Omega-3 fats calm inflammation in joints and blood vessels. That means less morning stiffness and smoother movement. Better blood flow brings oxygen and nutrients to working muscle, so climbs and long walks feel more comfortable. Salmon also supports nerves with B vitamins, especially B12, which helps your legs fire on time for better balance and coordination. More benefits you can feel. A salmon meal leaves you satisfied without a heavy feeling because it is naturally low in sodium and rich in healthy fat. The protein and fat mix slows digestion, which helps steady blood sugar through the afternoon. That steadiness protects focus and reduces the urge to snack on sweets. Many older adults find that salmon dinners lead to fewer night cramps when they also keep fluids up and add leafy greens. Simple pairings for senior wellness. Team salmon with a cup of mixed berries for an antioxidant lift, or with a small serving of brown rice for gentle fuel. Add a spoon of chia or ground flax at another meal to round out omega-3 intake. Season with herbs, citrus, and vinegar instead of salt to stay heart-friendly. Stay with me because the number one food on our list gives a daily edge for strength and recovery that you can feel by the end of the week. Number 1, eggs. The complete strength builder. Want steadier steps and stronger legs after 60? Start with eggs. For senior health and nutrition over 60, eggs deliver high-quality protein that helps stop muscle loss naturally, while staying low sodium and heart-friendly so energy feels calm and steady. Why eggs work? Each egg provides all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. The yolk brings vitamin D for bone and muscle support, plus choline to keep nerves and muscles communicating smoothly. That means better balance, quicker reactions, and easier climbs on the stairs. B vitamins and natural antioxidants support clean energy and an anti-inflammatory pattern that fits everyday living. How to use them today. Enjoy 1 or 2 eggs daily. Scramble with spinach and tomatoes, boil and slice over a salad, or make a veggie omelet with herbs and a little olive oil. Pair with berries or leafy greens to keep blood sugar stable. Keep salt light and lean on lemon, pepper, garlic, or paprika for flavor. Quick tip. If you are watching cholesterol, use 1 whole egg plus extra whites for the same protein lift with less saturated fat. If you avoid dairy, eggs still cover key nutrients many older adults miss. Want stronger steps and steadier balance after 60? Start small and stay consistent. You do not need all 6 foods every day. Mix and match through the week, and your legs will feel the difference. This is senior health made simple and heart-friendly. It fits nutrition over 60, stays low sodium, helps steady blood sugar, and supports an anti-inflammatory routine to stop muscle loss naturally. Morning is a smart time to begin since protein and fiber give calm energy for hours. Lunch or dinner works too. Your body benefits whenever you nourish it. You can also combine foods for food synergy. Oats with berries, salmon with avocado, eggs with leafy greens. These pairs help nutrients absorb better and keep you full longer. Movement multiplies the results. Gentle walks, chair squats, and calf stretches help your muscles use the fuel you eat. Nutrition builds. Motion activates. Together they protect independence. Quick recap. Sweet potatoes give slow, steady energy. Oats support endurance and smoother blood sugar. Avocados add flexible joints and fewer cramps. Berries protect muscle and collagen with antioxidants. Salmon rebuilds with protein and omega-3. Eggs deliver complete protein, vitamin D, and choline for strength and control. Safety first. This video is educational. Talk with your clinician before big changes, especially if you take medicines or manage long-term conditions. Your legs are your foundation. One simple change this week can start a cascade of better days. Add sweet potato to dinner. Stir berries into breakfast. Choose salmon twice a week. Each bite is a vote for strength, confidence, and freedom. If this helped, tap like and subscribe to Senior Strength 60 Plus. Tell me in the comments which food you already use and which one you will start this week. Your note may inspire another viewer to begin today. Stay strong and keep moving. In our next guide, we will stack these foods into a 2-week menu that fits real life and shows results you can feel.